In this tutorial, we will look at the idea of order of operations, or Bedmas, BDMAS. Now, in the world, there are four operations that you can do in a calculation. You can add, you can subtract, you can multiply, or you can divide. Right? So those are the notations in the computer. That's multiply and that's divide. So when you mix add, subtract, divide, multiply in an equation, as a human, you know the actual order you want to do it in. But computers have to have a certain way of doing it that's very formal, very consistent. That's called a natural order of operations. So as an example, let's have a look at bonus, okay? So the bonus statement is here. It is $50 for each unit, this one, produced in excess of 2,000, so more than 2,000. So you know that this has more than 2,000 units. That minus 2,000 will give you 450. So for 450 units, I'm going to multiply it by $50. So let's just do it simply. We did it in our head, 450 units times $50. Okay, because there's 450 units more than 2,000 here. And your bonus would be $22,500. Let me just fix that up. Now, the thing is, we can't do 450 ourselves, right? Excel has to do it. So the way you would do that is you would take the units, C4, and minus 2,000. So when you do that, you're going to get 450, correct? Yeah. Now, what do you want to do with that 450? That's 450 right there. That's the difference. You want to multiply it by $50 because $50 for each unit. Now, this isn't going to work. Let's have a look. You're going to get a very large negative number. Right away, you know it doesn't work. So let's have a look. In here, we are mixing subtraction and multiplication. Whereas in Bedmas, the order suggests that the multiplication will get done first in computer world. Now, you as a human on a calculator would know to do C4 minus 2,000 first. Whatever answer that is, you multiply it by 50, but computers will do this first, okay? So let's have a look. I'm just going to write over here Bedmas. So we have B, D, M, A, S, okay? Now let me just get rid of this. We don't need to get that in the way. There we go, okay? So now you see it, B, D, M, A, S. So B means brackets, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. And these are the priority. Brackets will always be first priority. Okay? Division, multiplication will always be second priority, and AS, addition and subtraction, will be third priority. So over here, we don't have brackets, but divide or multiply, this will be done first because it's higher priority, and then that answer will be minus from C4. Fine. Now, if you want to do addition subtraction first, give it a higher priority, move it up here to brackets, which means, and I'm just going to edit, if I put this inside brackets, round brackets, although it's supposed to be done last, it now is protected. It is first priority. So this will be done first, and then that answer will be multiplied by 50. And we get that same answer. Okay, so that's called BDMAS, or Bedmas, call it whatever you like. It's a natural order of operations. So there's all sorts of variations of that. I mean, if you're doing addition or subtraction, it doesn't matter. Add, subtract will always get done after divide, multiply. And if you want to force it to be done first, put brackets around it.